Hi guys, my name's Craig, this is Gadget King Reviews, and today we're going to be reviewing the shotgun microphone, because yesterday we reviewed the condenser microphone, but because I was speaking through the shotgun microphone, which is the directional microphone, and the condenser microphone, you've more or less got to speak into it. You'll see the difference, and I was thinking yesterday when I listened to the video that you might have thought it didn't sound very well. But this is how you're supposed to be speaking into a condenser microphone, where the shotgun microphone is pointing at you and it's like literally directed towards you, and that's why it sounds different. So today it is the Takstar shotgun microphone that we're going to be reviewing, which is all of £19.99. And all of this equipment that I'm showing you is because I've just started out on YouTube and I didn't want to be spending thousands of pounds on video equipment. Yes, I've always been into photography, but not microphones and other sorts of things that go along with photography. I've never been into all them different things, so I didn't want to spend a fortune on them when I don't think you need it, especially if you're not going to be a singer or anything like that, or a serious filmmaker. I'm only making a few reviews, and that's what I'm doing. Hopefully you're enjoying these reviews, and they're going to be giving you a bit of information so you can make up your mind if it's well worth you buying these sorts of microphones. So this Takstar is SGC598 recording microphone, and for $19.99 I've got to honestly say it's never let me down. I've owned this one for several months as well. I always like to do reviews after I've owned them, after I've used them in the real world, because there's nothing worse than somebody just opening a box, giving you a review, and at the end of the day, if they don't show you what the thing can do, what's the point of the review in the first place? So I'll open the box now, show you what's inside the box, but I'll also put a picture of it up on screen here, because the camera always seems to blare when I push it up against the camera, but this is what it looks like. Pretty simple again to put it together. Got a couple of things in the box. You get your set of instructions, pretty simple to read. You get a little carrier bag, which is made of like a felt, in case you want to put it away. You get the microphone itself. You get a foam cover, which if you want to use outside doesn't half help with the wind, but you can spend an extra £5 and get one of the big fluffy ones, which doesn't half help stop wind, noise and things like that. And you also get yourself a little battery in the pack, and that's it. That's all that comes in the box, and that's all you need really. So what I'm going to do now is, you've been listening to me on the condenser microphone, which is the newer, whichever way you want to pronounce it, NW700 condenser microphone with a 48 volt phantom power supply. That's a great microphone, but this one is great to go on top of the Canon 60D. It sounds perfect, it can go a long way, and one battery in it lasts an absolute age. So I'm just going to disconnect that condenser microphone and plug this one in, and then you can see the difference again. So I'll be back with you in 2 seconds. There you go. So now we're back, and now you're listening to me through the shotgun microphone. The condenser microphone's here, and I'm just about to move this out of the way. But now you're listening to me through the shotgun microphone, and I'm sure you can agree that the sound is quite adequate for whatever you're going to be using it for, especially if you have parties and there's lots of people around. But it does, if you go to the side of it, you hear different, the sound does change a lot, but whatever you're pointing at, it is loud, and it's quite simple to work out. Once you've screwed it on top of the Canon or any other camera that you're using it for, the mic is like a standard microphone jack. It has a little on-off button. As long as you remember to switch it on, which I have forgot to switch it on many a times and done plenty of filming, only to find out I've got no sound at the end of the day. So always remember to switch it on, and always remember to take it off top of the camera, especially if you're putting it away in a bag, and if possible put it back in its box, because it has a little foam holder and it's well protected in there. And for I'd say £20, but for $19.99 you can't beat it, guys. If you're just starting out on YouTube, like I keep saying, don't go out there and don't be spending thousands of pounds on top-end microphones. You might find out you're not even into all these YouTube videos. So why not start out small, start out in the budget range, and the better you get at making films, like I'm presuming I'm going to get better after I've done several reviews, 10 reviews, 20 reviews, I'm going to get better at what I do, then I'll probably upgrade my microphones. But until then, I'm quite happy using these type of microphones, budget microphones. And what I'm going to do, after I've showed you all the budget equipment that I've bought, is put it all together and show you how you can set up a budget YouTube studio for less than a couple of £100. And that's about it for today, guys. You've just seen the Takstar shotgun microphone, which is available from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. If you want to see more reviews, my name's Craig. This is Gadget King Reviews. Press the subscribe button, press the bell button so you're notified when I do another review. And if you can give me a big thumbs up, that's much appreciated. And until next time, guys, take care. Bye.